puchero. Mga ingredients ay isa natin sa garlic, cooking oil, onions, tomatoes, bichuelas to sa amin but I don't know in English. Beef cubes, Chinese sausage, potatoes, carrots, China Wong Bok, but this one is pechay bagyo in Tagalog, tomato sauce, at ang baked beans. Yung pork and beans sa atin, pwede din yun. At ang ating main ingredients ay ang beef.
Ayan, pinalambot ko na yung beef. Pag malambot na, pwede na natin simulan. Ayan, in a medium heat, we need to fry the potatoes and the carrots. We add cooking oil, then garlic, then onions, tomatoes, then we can add chorizo or Chinese sausage, then we can add also the beef, fish sauce, and we can add also the pepper, can add the beef broth, cover and simmer for 5 minutes. We can add the beef cubes, potatoes and carrots, ito sauce, then we can add the baked beans in tomato sauce. Yung pork and beans sa tomato sauce sa Pilipinas, pwede rin yun. Then we can add the bichuelas and the pechay bagyo. Cover for a while. Ayan na ang ating beef puchero. Salamat po. Kain po tayo.